Wrenching Boys YouTube channel.
Well, we've gotten a lot of work done lately. But unfortunately,
it didn't come from me.
We're struggling to get a radiator hose on. I should really specify it's Ryan. We're up to 15 minutes as of right now.
He ain't timing it. Don't listen to him.
All right. It's like been really fucking 20 minutes, but life goes on. This is kind of entertaining, so I figured I'd bring you guys along to laugh about this while he gets this on around these training lines. He's going to try putting the easy end on now, but...
Yeah, the other one's already put on.
Yeah, it'd blow right off, too, because the clamp ain't on it.
Clamp's on there? What are you talking about?
Look right... Oh, it's kind of hard to see.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Let me grab the light for you guys, because this is entertaining. I figure you guys can come along and laugh. Isn't this entertaining?
Just a wee.
It's just a squeeze clip. You got the hose on. Oh, look, it came off the other end.
It's okay. It can sit there for a second.
Hopefully this is entertaining for you guys, because I've been laughing for the last 20 minutes of my life.
Just 20?
As of right now, we're up for 20 minutes when I finally decided to dig out the camera and show these guys it's funny.
Jesus Christ.
He's gonna pinch his finger in a minute. I get to watch. So don't you guys.
Possibly.
It's gonna slip off.
Can't get the damn thing to lock. Really?
Here you go. Okay.
Oh.
You know, hold on.
Where's that flathead?
I don't know, that's a good question.
Just had one. Oh, this one.
I want something even cooler.
No.
Dennis taught me this. Here, hold this, because this is entertaining and something useful. See if I remember how to do it, or if the screwdriver's too big. The screwdriver might be too big. No, the screwdriver's too big. This Phillips might work. Probably not.
Put your fingers in there.
Yeah. Hopefully you're showing them how to do this. Ryan forgot the lower part.
Alright, now this is where the fun comes in.
Well, Ryan breaks the radiator.
That's okay. Got another one sitting at home.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do. This here.
No, you don't.
Oh, because
it's a stick.
Tranny lines. God damn it. Okay, well, I don't have an extra one at home, but... And get that one to fucking lock, that would help.
This is video proof that we're up to 8 minutes.
Well, see, you gotta help me with that one, because it will not unlock. Get the motherfucker in there.
Man, I'm so glad the upper radiator hose is a lot easier.
Ah!
There you go. I'm waiting to figure out
You get the damn thing to lock.
You gotta push it on further.
Well, it's pushing back.
Yeah, the radiator is.
Oh, I didn't really see what the little stupid ass trick was. I usually just hit them until they do it, but I'd like to be able to get this off later. So I'm gonna try my best to keep my fingers out the way.
Just gotta pry it down. A lot easier with a flathead, but Ryan wants nothing to do with his fingers being in there.
Just gotta get that little tab out of the way. Well, maybe if I went the other way.
You can't fill it. Could have had my shower done with already for the day. All over radiator hose. Really upset when I tell you this is completely upside down. It's got to go the other way, huh?
What's upside down?
Radiator hose.
Radiator hose is fine. What the fuck are you smoking?
No? See how it's rubbing the brake line over there? It'll be fine.
No, what the fuck are you talking about?
Not my truck, it's yours.
It's not mine either. It belongs to the person that buys it in 6 months when the snow starts to fall.
Because it's a drive and live in the state of Wisconsin.
Oh, no different.
No, you're doing it wrong still.
Here we go.
We'll be buying a hose and a radiator in a minute. Oh, this is great.
Hold on, keep that light right there. Oh.
You're getting there. There you go.
Works for me.
Well, we got the water pump on, the lower radiator hose. The heater core hoses are hooked up. Manifold is on the driver's side and all bolted down with new bolts and gasket. We're waiting on the cap so we can cap off the turbo drain ICT billet front cover. We got the crossover tube hooked up in the front, the block offs in the back. We'll be getting back with you guys again here soon when we get back at it in the next day or so.
Week.
Now we're gonna cut into Ryan's harness. Well, we got it all up and running. We ended up losing you guys earlier because the GoPro decided to die. Something we got to work with is some new batteries and stuff like that. But we guys got a good old update here. Is a couple things got to be buttoned up yet. You'll notice that as the AC lines are dangling over the motor. But we're waiting on a bracket to come because this truck will have AC when it's done. We saved the wires and everything. We're just waiting on ICT because we're going to go ICT billet all the way across the front end of this motor also. That and it'll look good.
We forgot something too, unfortunately.
And we got a knock sensor code. We put brand new knock sensors in it when we put the motor together, and we didn't put the harness in to plug it in. So we're going to have to pull the intake back off. Not a big deal. We also got another issue of this is the intake off of Ryan's Suburban, but it had a factory intake on it, so it was beveled to clear the air intake tube. Well, we put a cool air intake on this truck, so we're gonna have to get rid of the inch spacer because it just about touches the fan for sure. But we got it all up and running. We got it wired in. We got fuse box all screwed down. We got your OBD2 port. It's hanging out here for right now. We're gonna move it into the truck later, but it's all right. So we're gonna give you guys a good old startup and show you that it's got crazy pounds of oil pressure after sitting open in the garage for a year. So, fire her on up, Ryan. Does its 3-second prime. Fires right up. So, we're going to go take her for first test drive here, but it also holds like 70 pounds oil pressure, so we want to get some run time on it. Got a couple wires down there we're going to add in yet, like the tack. We got to wire that in. And then we're debating on going to electric fans down the road. So we're going to see how this goes. We're going to go take her for a trip after sitting for like, I guess, 5 to 8 years. So we're going to get the windshield scrubbed up and get the hood put back on. And we'll be back with you guys out for our first cruise. Wait till Ryan realizes it's on the inside of the windshield.
Yeah, it's on both.
You gotta clean the whole thing. On the inside. So ground down. When you're cleaning really nasty motors, that purple power. cleaned your hand.